first time programming TIS? Go to tscontrol.com. Click on Support. Select Software. Download and install Dev Sear v10 for your Windows or Mac device. If you are using TIS bus gateways, the default IP address range is 192.168.1. Make sure your computer is set to the same IP range and avoid any address conflicts. If you are using the Zigbee Wi-Fi hub, connect it via WAN to your router. It will automatically receive a dynamic IP address within your network range. Ensure your PC is set to DHCP, automatic, mode. Your current IP address is always displayed at the bottom of the software screen. Click the search icon in the corner and select Fast Search. If your devices appear, it means you have successfully connected to the network and can now start programming. If you cannot find any devices, make sure your IP range matches your gateway. Then restart the software and try searching again. If you find only your TIS bus gateway but no other devices, it means there is a short circuit in the bus wiring. You'll need to locate the issue, fix it, and try to search again.